In today's video, I will talk about the word play, different types of play, and how to use them in examples. We have play as a noun, heha. We have play as verb. I will mention 3 verbs of play in Urhobo. I will add a bonus fourth. Oresoswo, heha. Children playing, heha. The second one, orive, fa. Fa is to play ball. It can also be to play card or to play dice. Fa. Orera, hworho. Hworho, to play any musical instrument, even to play your mouth or to whistle is hworho. Hworogbunu. So let's make examples with them. Heha na gano. This is a noun. The play is too much. Heha na gano. The play is too much. Ena heha. Ena heha. Ena is playing. Ena heha. Ena is playing. Ena fiboro. Ena fiboro. Ena is playing ball. Ena fiboro. Ena hworigita. Ena hworigita. Ena is playing guitar. This is the 4th bonus one. Beha. Beha is to dance. Ena beha. Ena beha. Ena is dancing. So these are the 4 ways to use the word play. One as a noun, heha, and then we have it as a verb, heha, playing, fa, to play ball, to play dice, to play card, to play seeds, hworho, to play musical instruments or music, wado.